In this video, we'll go over some names of the polyatomic ions. I said the reason why you call it polyatomic ions is because one, it is made of more than one ion or one atom, and it has a charge of either -1, +1, -2, +2, and so on and so forth. So the very first example is sulfite, and sulfite is this one. I think it is supposed to be printed out back and forth so that you can cut it out. Hydrogen sulfate is this one, and sulfate is that one. So the very far left one matches to the very far right one, and this one matches to that one. So you can keep that in mind. So what you see here in common is that when H is added in front, then it has a name hydrogen, and when double H is added, then it has something called dihydrogen. Cr2O7 with 2- charge is dichromite, and CrO4 2- is chromite. Don't really worry too much about, okay, why this one has 2- but that one also has 2-. I will explain to you kindly when we have the actual lecture, so don't worry too much about that sense. So try to match the names here and memorize some of the names or all of the names, because everything here are very important. And acetate can be written in two different forms, CH3COO2 or COO- or C2H3O2. What you see here is double C makes C2 and double O makes O2. So the top one is just a shorter term of CH3COO-. Don't also worry too much about what the difference is. I will kindly explain to you. So everything here are very important. So you can pause the video right here. I want you to memorize all the names. Try as long as you need. And pause the video, and in 10 seconds I'll move on to the problems. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here are the problems. If you think you haven't, like for example, this one you didn't really learn it from above. So other than that, I think you probably have learned most of them. Try to name them on a separate sheet of paper, and I'll go pause the video right here, fill it up. I'll move on to the key in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Actually, these are not the keys. This is the names. Then you're supposed to write down the formulas right here. And formula for cyanide is Cn-, something like that. You're supposed to fill those in. I'll give you another 10 seconds. Keep in mind that these actually match to those. So you can simply correct the answers, check the answers on your own in order. 5, 4, 3, 2,